Stay at 4.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kimberly, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I would very much appreciate your support. I'm starting off this new vlog. I'm just trying to get some stuff put away because yeah, so I'm a little sweaty. I don't know if I'm sweaty on camera, but yeah, this is the state of affairs right now. So I am in the kitchen. Well, we have a plumber here that's trying to fix the pipe in the kitchen. Hakeem went on the road with him, and then also I'm setting up my bedroom. I'm setting up the living room. We're waiting on delivery of the couch, so I'll show you guys the couch that we chose. We're interactive, and that's pretty much what I'm doing for today. I'm in the kitchen now trying to fix up this toaster. Let me show you this toaster that Hakeem bought on Amazon. It is huge. But I did mention to him that I want to be able to toast multiple slices of bread rather than 2. So instead of buying, I don't know, this could fit like a whole, I don't know, it's huge, but this is a toaster we're working with. Oh, it has dials on the front, I didn't even realize. It's a really nice toaster. Good job, Hakeem. He did a lot of the shopping for the household items, so it's his job to shop and procure items, and it's my job to put it in place. If you like any of the items that I show in this vlog, I'm going to be linking it on our Amazon storefront. So we have an Amazon storefront that we put travel stuff on, but I'm also going to start linking home stuff on it. But if you like anything and I probably haven't linked it in time, or you just want to ask about it, you can always leave a comment below and I will just respond to you guys. I hope that you guys are feeling blessed and you have a great day. See you in a few. So the plumber, electrician, and the movers are here at one time. Stress. Look at the stove top. I have been trying to get the streaks out, and so this works, guys. If you can find it, this. Oh, Hakeem. So that one is happy.
Woman time now. How's it going? It's going good?
I did all of this myself.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. It's we still haven't set up our internet, so I decided to just get out of the apartment and just go and get some work done at a cafe. So I'm thinking either Starbucks or Press Bistro. I've never been to Press Bistro before, but I popped my head in there the other day and I said it looks nice. It's like a nice little vibe, so I think I might go there and try them out because they might have like a proper breakfast setup as well. And I'm just gonna get some work done because there are a couple of deliverables that I have, and I don't want to have to go all the way into office right now. I could go into office. The office is there that we can go to, but I think I want to just go somewhere close enough that I can just get some work done. And because we're also still in the process of moving and we have some stuff to deal with in the apartment, so I think that's what that is what I'm about to do. I hope you guys have a great day, a great Tuesday. Yeah, I'm feeling blessed. Oh, call me. Oh, Hakima called me. Hey babe.
Ready?
Yeah. No,
You don't need your glasses.
my glasses not in my bag.
Is it clear one?
No, the brown one.
Oh, the clear one there.
The clear one is here?
The clear one up. The one on the counter here.
Oh, okay. No, it's alright. I have the other one. Thank you, babe.
Alright.
So yeah, I have two glasses. So I should have. Listen, if the glasses are in there, I go squint it out now. Can I can't bother go back up. And yeah, I'm gonna leave now. So anyway, I will catch up back with you guys. I don't know if I'll talk back to you guys today or tomorrow, but if you've been watching so far and you haven't yet subscribed, come on, subscribe, join the little community. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, but I'm trying to get there, and I'd very much appreciate your support. I should also say that Friday is our anniversary, so we're gonna be going on a staycation for our anniversary. That I'll vlog that as well, and I'll show you where we're gonna be going, but it is needed, trust me, because we have been moving potatoes for the past few days. And trust me, if anybody says to you that moving isn't hard, they're rich and can hire movers and afford movers. But we have been moving so, like, oh, the sun is coming. Oh, I just love, one thing I love about this place is that, like, the light comes through in such a beautiful way, and it's just I love light. But yeah, if you can afford movers, do it, because moving is not for the faint of heart. It is so hard because we've been building stuff, we've been DIYing, we've been lifting so much heavy things. I have learned to put together furniture, which is a new life skill that I am so proud of. So I'm just yeah, it's a lot, but it feels so good to put things together and to know that you're doing stuff together and building and all that stuff. So I think yeah, but moving is tiring. We are tired. Every day we're tired. I have to be taking painkillers because my body in pain. Listen, it's a lot, okay? But we're happy. So yeah, this vacation is coming at the best time because we need it. We're gonna be like vacation potatoes. I'm gonna get cute again. I've been doing a lot of moving, but anyway, stop rambling. It's now a little after 8, so I'm gonna head there because I do have some deliverables that I have not been able to hit because of the lack of internet. Some things I could do without the internet, but I am very much internet dependent at this point. Sorry if the glare is a little bit too much. So anyway, I'm gonna go see you guys in a few.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning?
So I'm almost finished with my report, with my communication plan. I decided to order a matcha. This is good. This has agave syrup and it's iced. I'll show you guys. This is it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself.
Hi guys, so I am in office today. Both Hakeem and I came into office, so I'm just getting some work done. As usual, I feel like this vlog is always me saying I'm getting work done, but I mean it's true. I'm gonna go to Manchester just for a little quick run. I ordered some food from M10, which is like my favorite box food restaurant. They always taste good. Like 98% of the time I can count on M10. Like if I'm hungry or I want a sure thing, M10 is my go-to in Kingston, that is. So that's what I'm working on getting. Well, I called them already, so I'm gonna pick it up and then we're gonna head to Manchester. But hopefully you guys are okay. Tomorrow's our anniversary, so I think I'm actually gonna close out the vlog here and then pick up back with tomorrow's vlog as like our anniversary vlog. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Today's Friday. It's no what are they? Today's Thursday the 18th, so the week is cutting short for now. But if you watch this vlog and then you tune into the next vlog, it's gonna pick up on Friday the 19th. So yeah, because our anniversary deserves like its own vlog. So we're gonna be staying at Ocean Coral Eden Bay. Yeah, I reached out to them and asked if we could get like a discounted rate and we could like do some content for them and stuff like that. So they said yes. I don't think they really care about the content part, I don't know, but I just asked them and they said yes, and they were so nice. So they're upgrading us to privilege and all that stuff, so it's gonna be a really nice little treat and rest time from all of the stress that we've been going through with moving. Not bad stress, good stress. It's a blessing to have a home. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna be having a lot of fun, restful fun, celebrating our 4 years of marital bliss. I'm so happy that yeah, I'm very happy that we're able to celebrate that, another milestone together like that. We celebrated 10 years in November, so you can go and watch the vlog that we have of the Negril anniversary vlog. It's up right now, so you can look at that. And but this one now is our 4-year wedding anniversary. So I think, yeah, that's what I'm gonna close this off. So next time you see me will be in the anniversary vlog, and we're gonna try and, we got a drone as well, so we're gonna try and see if we can get some drone shots there. I don't know if it's allowed, I'm gonna ask them, but yeah, we're gonna be chilling. If you like this vlog, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.